How to draw the thinking chair from Blue's Clues, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a small line from left to right. Now, on each end point, we're going to draw two small curved lines that are going towards the outside. These two small curved lines will help us make the arms of the thinking chair. Nice! Now let's go ahead and draw a large curved line that will look similar to an upside down U. Let's go ahead and start on this left point and connect all the way over to the right hand side. Great job, so far we're making really nice progress. Now let's go ahead and draw two lines that will be coming down from the first line that we drew together. This will help us make the seat of the thinking chair. Next, let's go ahead and connect these two bottom points by drawing a line going from left to right. Fantastic! If you're all done, let's continue. Now we're going to want to draw two swirls connected to the bottom corners of what we just drew together. Let's draw a line to connect this swirl to the back of the chair. Nicely done. Now let's hop on over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing. Next, we will begin to draw the bottom of the thinking chair. Keep in mind that if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. On the inside of the square shape that we just drew together, let's draw a line going from left to right across the top. Once we're all done drawing that bottom shape, the next step will be to draw two small curved lines that are connected to the corners of what we just drew together to the swirls. For the final step before we color in our drawing, let's go ahead and draw the feet on the very bottom of our chair. Next, I will show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. This is how to draw the thinking chair from Blue's Clues. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.